Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone software update stuck on update requested. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to update your software but you are having the issue that your software update has been stuck on update requesting or anything like else, so you just have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and after that you just have to go back, open your settings and go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that you have to go back and you have to double check your iPhone storage. If you have enough storage, almost up to 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage, or sometime if a software update is greater, so you have to free up space up to 15 GB in your iPhone storage. And after doing that, you just have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will fix if there will be any network issue which is happening or any with your software updates. Or after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to try to make a force restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed. You have to restart your software update and your update will be successfully completed in this after that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.